As Attorney General, I am required by law to defend the state in habeas cases. When Gennaro Wilson was convicted of aggravated child molestation, the law required him to receive at least a 10-year sentence for his crime.
But that, again, means we've got to lead by example, which means that if you've got Scooter Libby not serving any jail time, but you've got a young man, a young football player who didn't even commit a felony, who's being locked up for 10 years, then it's harder for you to say that you stand for justice in America. You got to be consistent.
Gennaro Wilson found himself in prison, serving a 10-year sentence. He was ensnared by a law designed for adult sexual predators. Georgia legislators later changed that law because of his case. Wilson was convicted of having consensual oral sex with a teenage girl. He was 17 at the time. She was 15. Gennaro Wilson sat in prison for more than 2 years, through countless legal ups and downs, before a judge ordered him freed and said he did not have to register as a convicted sex offender.
We win!
Yes, he's out.
This has been really long, 28 months. It's a very long fight. And right now, we have an order of release, and I beg the Attorney General of the state of Georgia, please, enough. Do not file an appeal, please.
I have an obligation under the law, as well as a significant concern for the decision's broader impact on public safety, to appeal the ruling.
That does not make sense to change a law because of somebody, but then they cannot be helped by the law.
We can write them and urge them to set Gennaro free, and if they don't set him free, then we can develop new strategies to get him out of jail. We've done everything we know to do up to the Supreme Court. It's a terrible travesty of justice, and we regret very much that the Attorney General appealed the case when the judge down in Monroe County had set the record straight.
Then it's harder for you to say that you stand for justice in America. You got to be consistent. You got to lead by example.